What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're having a fun day. We're going to be talking about bandit signs. Now, one of the things that you guys don't ask the persons to do when you're doing bandit signs is cut them in half. So guys, if you literally have two signs, you can slice them in half and now you have four. So very easy thing that you can do, and we do this to pretty much all of our signs so that we can double the message. You can get like literally 1,000 signs for 500, well, for the price of 500 signs. But today, we're not just gonna be talking about how efficient bandit signs are. I wanna show you guys how you can be more efficient yourself putting up signs. And so I got a special guest, which y'all seen him in a previous video. If you're the video editor guy, this is where you put the previous video of the bandit sign stamper. And guys, we made this awesome mechanism. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it again. We're gonna show you guys how you can do it on an expensive level and also if you're doing this on a budget, right? So you can get this pipe as long as you want. Literally, it's a giant PVC pipe. But the last time you guys saw this, my buddy Leon was the one who created it for you guys. But yeah, longer the PVC pipe, higher that you can put the sign. So I wanna introduce this special guest that I have today. Let him know what's up, bro.
What's up, y'all? Lionel here. So you're about to get into depth detail on how we do this, so sit tight.
Sit tight, guys. I'll see y'all after the intro.
Gave him something slight, little wisdom for the time. Told the bottom all goodbyes. I'll tell the top that you said hi. Sorry, miss your call, I've been living too much life. Always somewhere high, always somewhere in the sky, always fine, yeah.
You see the leaves fall off, you thought the family tree would die, but these roots run deep below ground zero.
You need this to start. This is a PVC pipe, okay? Same shit that they use for plumbing, and it's easy. You can also tell them to chop it up. So the longer that you have it, the higher that you can put the sign. So check this out. If I had my stamper all the way at the top here, then I could literally all the way at the top, boom. See what I'm saying? Oh shit, yeah, but that's how high we can put the sign. So essentially what we're gonna do though, just for the sake of this video, and because I gotta fit it in my small ass bends, is we're gonna chop this thing in half.
All right, so you gotta make sure that you get the 2-inch wide one, otherwise your hammer won't fit in there and it would defeat the purpose. So you can also get the PVC cutter yourself, so you can have it at home and you can cut the pipes while you're making them, or you can just ask one of the employees to do it for you. They'll do it here.
What are those items called again?
Threshold.
Threshold, gotcha. Okay. And for you guys, because we spent about 10 minutes looking for it, it's by where all the doors are cut, okay? So, this is what we need. Let's get it. All right.
Action.
So, guys, these things are what you need to put the hammer inside of it, right? So this is gonna go, this little piece of rubber is gonna go on the tip of the PVC pipe, and then this is gonna be there so that you can tighten it up so it's gripped. When you put the hammer inside of the thing, it's gonna fit perfectly in this, so you can, you know what I'm saying, without it flying out or whatever. But this is pretty much one of the last pieces of the puzzles, guys. You can find them right where you got the pipes too. They're in the same aisle in Home Depot, so let's go.
Stainless steel clamps. And it comes in a pack too, so you don't gotta worry about it.
Bada bing, bada boom. You know what I didn't get? That goddamn drill.
All right, Leon now here. So we're gonna need the 2-inch PVC pipe. We're also gonna need the threshold. We're gonna need the shielded coupling, the steel clamps, and of course your staple gun. Also, when you're getting staples for your staple gun, make sure you look to see which is the best one that you can get. This one is 1/2 inch, 12 millimeter, the heavy duty ones, so you can make sure your signs stay up there. All right, so first thing you do is you grab your PVC pipe, you grab the shielded coupling, you take this out of the metal, you go ahead and fit this on top. Boom, perfect. And you put these on, and then you're gonna tighten it. Yeah. All right, next thing you do is you're gonna grab the threshold and you're gonna wanna line it up with the shielded coupling. Okay, so we got it right here. Bro, no fucking way, bro. I think it'll drive a whole crazy. You want that shit on there tight, bro. Cool, there you have it. Put it in here, put the gun facing towards the sign, and let's get a sign. All right, so again, you put the sign facing the staple gun, and you put it in. And we don't want to put no holes in the walls right here, so you hit it, boom, it's gonna staple it right there. Then you slide it down, and you hit it again right here, boom, and it's gonna keep it in place.
All right, guys, so I hope my boy Leon broke this thing down in detail for y'all. I feel like last time that we did this, it was literally a 2-minute video and my intro was about half the video size. And so this time around, you guys got to really see not just how to construct it, but also how, I mean, where you can buy this stuff, you know, and actually getting it from Home Depot. There's so many different places that you can get this product stuff from, but you know, this is where we were able to construct this. It's a lot of fun. And guys, I don't know if y'all saw, but you know, this is like, you can literally stamp this thing 6 feet high, 10 feet high, you know what I'm saying? It makes it a lot harder to get your signs down. So with that being said, I hope you guys appreciated the information that you got from this video. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and one more message from my boy Leon.
I want the check. Check. Ooh. I want the check.